Brand new modern house dito sa Tagaytay na may lot area na 350 square meters. Pasukin natin. May total of 3 bedrooms. Ito yung first bedroom, may own bathroom. Then let's go up. Another living room dito sa second floor. Meron kang balcony, may puno ng mangga na may bunga na. Floor area, nasa 170 square meters. Ito yung dining and kitchen area. This is the master bedroom. May own bathroom. Ito yung common bathroom. And then there's the other bedroom. At ang magandang part, yung napakalaki mong garden. Pwede ka magpalagay ng swimming pool. Ito yon dahil nga 350 square meters ang iyong lot area. At napakatahimik, napaka-presko dito sa may Back Estate, Tagaytay. So, follow ka na sa ating channel and bye-bye!